How to change language on Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. If you want to change Netflix to a different language other than English, you can do it within the app. First things first, let's head over to the Netflix app. Now from the home screen, all you do is tap on your profile icon, which is on the top right. Now the one thing that you need to note is that if you have multiple profiles on your Netflix account, you'll need to change up the language for them individually. So first tap on manage profiles and then just select the profile that you want to change the language of. Here it's going to give you a few options. You just tap on display language and choose the exact language that you want to change to. Tap on the language and the language will be selected. Now if you head back, it's going to give you a menu where it says restart the app of Netflix to save the changes. Tap on restart app. And as you can see, the Netflix application now has been changed from English to the language that I just selected, which is Spanish. That was the easy process on how to change language on your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.